Hey everyone, so we're going to do a 16 by 20 dirty pour. I'm just using up some paints tonight. Today, whenever you're watching this. It's tonight for me. So I sprayed my cups with the WD-40 and I'm not going to rub it in. And we're going to use black with silicone, Craft Smart Gold with silicone. This is Artist Loft Aqua, Soho Cadmium Yellow Green, Lucas Cyan, Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, and I think I'm going to throw in some Color Shift Aqua Flash. I wanted this painting more on the green side, but I need some blues to offset the greens. So I think that's going to be it. Normally I'd like something a little darker as far as the blues go, but I'm going to use black, so I don't really care if it's there. I'm going to set this back. I'm going to do 4 cups. I don't know if I'll need 4, but we'll make them 4. That first one I did look like a glump. Can't tell. Can't tell now. Okay, so then I'm going to use gold. And that's probably all the gold that I have left. I've got some new bottles coming, so I want to use these up because the new bottles are bigger. So my favorite colors, most popular colors, I'm trying to use up today. Alright. So next to that gold that I want something a little darker, so we'll go with the cyan. Maybe I'll use some emerald green in there. Okay, now we'll go with the cyan. And it doesn't matter if it's layered or not. I'm just trying to fill it up. And then we'll go with the aqua. That one's spent. Okay. Cerulean blue. That one definitely is sitting on top of the aqua. It doesn't even want to break through. And then the cad yellow green. And I want some more black. These are my overflow containers. When I fill my bottles, I always mix up a little bit too much. And then I want to add this flash. Save a little bit of that for another project. And a little bit more gold. And then I'm going to take the cyan and shove it down through. And I think that should be plenty. Plenty, plenty. Cups are bright. Okay. So we're just going to start pouring. Got nothing coming up there yet. But I see blue coming through here, so I'm assuming we'll get some there. Let's not take any chances. And I probably only need a little bit out of the next cup. Enough there for a tile. So I'm going to go ahead and just get it all together here. And then I'm going to give it a torch to see if anything's coming up through that black. Because I'm pretty sure that black had silicone, but it's not showing that, is it? But after we tilt it, it'll thin out the paint and the cell should come up. Because I use treadmill silicone in all my paint, unless it's marked otherwise. So let's go ahead and start pouring some of this off, because we got a ton of black here. That blue is coming up through there. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this corner first. A little bit coming up there. Just give this a little get go there. I'm going to come down here. Let me turn it around. Oh yeah, the cells are coming up through now. Pretty, pretty. Ah, sticking tonight. Bring it down to this corner. Can you see it all coming up through the black now? It's pretty. Okay. Just watching it slowly develop, hoping something comes up through the green, but it doesn't matter. It'll give us a focal point. I'm taking what I get, huh? The green and that green and gold is so pretty. I'm pretty sure that's that flash in there too. It's coming up here. All right, let me torch it again. Sometimes you don't want cells everywhere. I just don't like dead spots, like when it's all black or all white. But a lot of times I've shut the camera off and put them on the rack and go back an hour later and it's like, oh, look at all those cells that came up. It just needs time to get up through that heaviness of that black or the white. So I'm going to call this one done. I kind of like that loop there. I was going to pour it off and thought, it's getting cells along the edges. It's actually kind of cute. So there's that corner. But it's getting something going on there. So yep, that one's done. So if you're new, go ahead and click subscribe. Join the crew. Click on the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. You'll get to see dried paintings there. And sometimes I post videos that don't make it to YouTube because they're my bloopers. Not so much bloopers, I guess. It's just sometimes I'll teach a technique on there that I don't do here. And check out my Etsy shop. And shop with me on Amazon. I have all the supplies there. If you're new to pouring and you don't know what to get, it's all recommended products. And I use them all. So if you have any questions, shoot me a message through Facebook. And I'd be more than happy to help you. So until next time, guys, see you on the next one. Bye now.